Hi, I'm Fred Horn, MLA for Edmonton-Rutherford. Over the past few weeks, I've had the privilege of traveling to communities across our province, including Medicine Hat, Brooks, Lethbridge, Calgary, Edmonton, Airdrie, Nanton, Fort Saskatchewan, Lacrete, High Prairie, and Fort McMurray. It's been a terrific journey and a tremendous opportunity to talk to people where they live and listen to their stories, their hopes, their frustrations, and their priorities for our health system, now and in the future. We've heard from hundreds of Albertans about what they think of the proposed Alberta Health Act. More than 800 have completed our online survey, and over 500 Albertans have now attended public workshops in their home communities. But we're not done yet. As we continue to consult on the proposed Alberta Health Act over the coming weeks, I look forward to hearing from even more of our fellow citizens. In total, we're holding 28 community workshops in 23 communities. And by the time we wrap up the workshops on July 15th, we will have added Vermilion, Camrose, Spruce Grove, Hinton, St. Paul, Athabasca, Peace River, Grand Prairie, High Prairie, Slave Lake, Delia, and Red Deer to the communities where we have met with Albertans. In each of these communities and at each of these sessions, the door is open to anyone who wants to join these important discussions and share their views. Attendance at the community workshop so far has reflected the great diversity of our province. All ages, backgrounds, and views have been represented. People are speaking frankly and openly about what they expect from their health system and how the proposed Alberta Health Act should work to support that. We've heard that people don't trust that the right things will always happen within the health system. We're hearing a strong desire to be directly consulted as decisions are made in the future. Albertans are telling us how they'd like to be involved and what it means to them. They're saying to us, fix the system, make it easier for us to access services, focus more on prevention and wellness, and take the long view because our health system is a key part of our lives and community life. The issues are important, the conversation is frank, and the door is open. So please take the time to add your voice. Visit yourhealthact.alberta.ca to join in on the survey or to find out when we'll be in your community. Thanks very much.